So again, before leaving, talk to your supervisor. Okay? Napaka-importante yung pakikipag-usap sa supervisor. Hindi hindi nyo alam kung ako personally, ilang beses na ako nakipag-usap sa supervisor ko before I wanna leave my job, previous job, and I've been there previously for 10 years, same company, and it's really helpful. And the thing about talking to your supervisor is make sure you trust them. Okay? Kasi if you don't trust your supervisor, doesn't matter kahit anong offer niya sa'yo, counter offer niya sa'yo, increase ng income or gusto ka nila i-promote. It doesn't matter kasi if you don't trust your supervisor, your manager, your team leader, then it, it will not work. So it has to be a two-way communication. It has to be tango, di ba? Sabi, it takes two tango or cha-cha. So kailangan may pag-usap ka sa supervisor mo na meron kang tiwala sa kanya. Kasi if you don't trust your supervisor, trust me, it's not gonna work. Okay? So, talk to your supervisor. Uh, Sabihin mo kung ano yung reason why you're leaving. If it's income, if it's pay, then they might able to work with you about that. If it's culture, who knows kung they can do something about it. Culture is, it's pretty tough to change kasi culture is the people who's doing the things they've been doing for a while. So culture moves the people, culture moves the company. So if the culture dun sa LOB mo, line of business lang, or certain part ng business is not healthy, probably they can move you to a different line of business na better yung culture, or they'll move you to a different account or different group lang. Kasi kung yung culture is not good, certain group, or yung mga teammates mo lang is making you culturally unfit, then you can probably talk to your supervisor and who knows if they can work it out. And lastly, before you even leave and after you talk to your supervisor, you wanna weigh things. Okay? First is gaano ka timely nung change. Okay? Kung sinabi niya ngayon yung change, bukas sa bukas lilipat kita or bukas sa bukas may increase ka. Eh pag sinabi niyang I'm not sure kailan kita mabibigyan ng increase, hindi ko sure kung kailan kita malilipat, then most likely it's a no-go.